Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes, voice-activated navigation system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.